Hello everyone, I am Someshri Shanavati, Assistant Professor of Civil Engineering at Vedang Institute of Technology. So, in this class, we will solve a numerical based on a presence of couple in case of simply supported beam. So, we have the numerical like here, the beam is simply supported and the total length of the beam is 6 meter. So, let's draw the beam first. In case of exam, we only have the question like this, so we need to first draw the diagram, then we can solve it. So first we have the simply supported beam and the length is 6 meter. We can write that it is of 6 meter. Again, it carries a vertical load that is 1 kilonewton at distance of 4 meter. So 4 meter from which support? From left hand support. So here from 4 meter, this to this distance will be 4 meter. Here we have the one vertical load that is 1 kilonewton. And again, a couple of 2 kilonewton into meter acts at distance of 2 meter also from left hand support. So here we have the 2 kilonewton into meter couple and the distance here is 2 meter. So the question asks us to find shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. To find that, we need to first calculate shear force and bending moment. So let's name it as A, B, C and D. Okay. So we know that reaction forces will generate at the end supports. So we have RA and RB reaction forces. RA plus RB equal to 1 as the vertical load is 1 kilonewton. Calculating moment about A. So we will have RB into RB multiply with 6 meter minus 1 into 4 minus 2, that will be 0. Okay. So here RB will be minus 4 minus 2, it will be 6 divided by 6 and here we have RB equal to 1. We have RA plus RB equal to 1. So RA will be 1 minus 1 minus 1 that is be 0. Now we have the reaction forces that is RA and RB. Let's write it here. RA will be 0 and RB will be 1. Now what we will do? Now our work is to find out shear force first. We know that in case of couple, there will be no changes of shear force. So these 2 kilonewton into meter, there will be no changes in case of shear forces. So calculating shear force first. Shear force at B. We know that RB equal to 1. So shear force at B will be negative of RB. Again, shear force at C. First, we will calculate from right. So it will be minus 1. Again, shear force will be calculated at C from left of the section. So it will be -1 plus 1, that will be 0. Okay. And SF at D, here we have already known that the couple arises here. So there will be no changes. Shear force at D will be changes, or you can write no changes for better understanding. Okay. SF at A will be, here we already have the reaction force, that is 0. So shear force at A will be what? Will be 0. Now calculating bending moment. So first we can write that from end supports like MA will be 0 and MB will be 0. So MC will be from left of the support. We know that RB equal to 1 into 2, that is your 2 kilonewton into meter. Okay. Then MD. MD will be 2 kilonewton plus 2 kilonewton, that is 4 kilonewton into meter. Okay. So we have the bending moment at A, B, C and D. Now our work is to find out shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. So let's draw the shear force and bending moment diagram for the simply supported beam. Here you can see shear force at B is -1 and shear force at C is also -1. Okay. So the whole shear force diagram will be negative. The S.F.D will look like this. Again 0 and 0, so this will be your S.F.D. Okay. This is your S.F.D. Bending moment you can see here 0 and bending moment here will be 0. MA equal to 0 and MB equal to 0. So MC is 2 kilonewton. Let's put it here 2 kilonewton. So we will join it like this. And what? MD is your 4 kilonewton. 4 kilonewton into meter, 2 kilonewton into meter. So this part is your nothing but BMD. So here in this class we have solved one numerical on basis of solving a couple related numerical, and we have find out the shear force and bending moment in this case. So in our next class we will solve more numericals on basis of couple. So if you want to know, stay tuned. Thank you so much.